Okay guys, so in this video we're going to be looking at uploading your videos and doing your training page, which is going to be iframed in your app. Okay, so you're going to need YouTube and you're going to need your WordPress site for this. So first of all, let's go to YouTube. I'll show you how to upload a video. Super easy. I'll just show you a couple of things to be aware of as well. So you can click this little upload icon up here, and I'm going to grab any video from somewhere to do this. So here you can have it as public, unlisted, private or scheduled. Of course, scheduled is upload it sometime in the future. If you had a vlog or something, you might be doing that. But here, private, well, let's start with private. Private is somebody has to have, you have to invite them by their Gmail account, and they have to be logged into Gmail to be able to watch the video. So that kind of secures the video more. You're probably never going to be using that. But here, public and unlisted, this is where you need to make a decision whether you want your training videos live on your channel, so that when somebody finds your channel, all your training videos are there on your channel. It's up to you whether you want that public or whether you want it private. If it's private, then they'll see it in the members area and everything. We'll do that, you know, we'll on the training page. We'll look at that in a sec. But if they visit your YouTube channel, then it's not shown on their YouTube channel, okay? And if somebody's got the link for that video, then they can share it with somebody else and somebody else could watch it. If it's public, then it's on your channel. When somebody hits your channel, they're going to see it. So you might want to keep it secret. You might want to have it public to help people see what your app's doing, and it might encourage people to buy it. You might want to keep it secret because there might be secret stuff in there that you don't want people to see until they've bought it. So you're gonna have to make that decision. For now, let's go unlisted. So we can either click there and browse for a video, or we can drag and drop a video in. So let's go and find an Easy Software Pro video. So try and find a shorter one so that it uploads quicker. I think that was quite a short one. So I'm just going to grab the grab this MP4, drag it and drop it. Okay, so that's now uploading as an unlisted video. Now, if you do it in public, then you're probably going to want to put tags and a description and a URL to your page where they can install it. You could come back and do that later if you don't have that page yet. Don't worry too much about it. So while that's uploading, let's go back to our WordPress page and go to our pages that we already made, our training page. So the programmers should have put that into your app by now. If not, they've got the link. So, you know, they'll be handling that side of things and we'll be handling the content side of things. So we need to go to Live Editor. I'm going to open it in a new tab. It doesn't matter if you just click it and it opens in the same tab. So this page was just a completely blank page. Now we can put on this page whatever we want. So how you lay it out is really up to you, but I'm going to show you, a simple and easy way to do this. So let's go with 2 columns like this, insert into page. So now we've got 2 columns. Now we're going to go add element, and we're going to go text. So we're going to add like a heading. So it's going to be a text block. Click there. So we'll go video training 1. Okay, how to make a training page, for instance. So this would be the title of your thing. You can center it there. If we go advanced options here, then you've got that option to center it there as well, but you can change the size and the font as well. So let's just choose a font that we're going to use. I like this one, Railway. Size, let's make it 20. Now you can't actually see it, so sometimes you have to mess around with the size to get it just as you want it. Let's add that in there. So we've got our heading there for this side. Then we can duplicate that. We can drag it over here if we want to do that, and then we can click edit to edit the text. So let's just do it so you can see it in process. So video training 2. How to use optimize press 2. Insert. So we've got the size and the font. By duplicating these like this, then we've got the size and the font already set. Next thing we're going to do, hopefully this is going to hurry up and upload. Oh my god, it's taking forever. Okay, I'm going to cancel this. How do I cancel? Return to editing. I want to cancel this. Let's try and upload. Yeah, let's leave. Okay, let's upload another one. Hopefully I can get another shorter one so that we haven't got to hang around for it. Let's grab this because we know this one's definitely only a few seconds long. You want to give it a name here as well. This is the name of your video. Now if you go in public, then the name of your video is quite important because it will help people find it. Same with tags down here as well. If you want to put a tag in, then you separate them by a comma like that. So you could put Shopify app. Remember, this is only if you go in public with these videos to help people find it. You know, Facebook ads. And when people start searching in YouTube, then YouTube's going to pick up these tags. Okay, I'm just going to remove them. Doesn't really make much difference. Okay, that's uploading quite quickly. So let's go back across to Optimize Press. We'll go add element here. This time we're going to go video. Okay, only got one option there. Type is going to be YouTube. Okay, and hopefully this video is going to hurry up and upload. Let's see what other channels we'll. Let's go for. Let's just switch channels. Let's pretend that video is uploaded. So I'm now on a different channel, but what will happen once your video is uploaded, it will look something like this. Okay, and then all we need to do is get this video URL from here. I think if you right click, you can copy the video URL from there. You can open it up in a new tab. You can go back to your channel and get it. So get the video URL from wherever you want to get it from. Here's as good a place as any. Pop that into here like this. Here, yeah, we can go autoplay, hide controls, hide the YouTube logo, show title on the bar. So here we can, let's just go like that for now. You can see it should be like a nice clean video. Let's go save and continue. Click OK, and let's click view public link and have a look at this page now. So you can see there we've got our video. It's got the title on it. Sure, I switched that off. Hide controls, show title. Just save that again. Pretty sure it should turn that title off so you've got a clean video. Perhaps that's not working. So no problem, no biggies. So you can see there we've got a heading video. So you can do it that way. Let's just duplicate these out. So to duplicate, in case you missed that, I click this one here, that duplicates, and then I grab by grabbing that cross there. Okay, so then I can duplicate these headings. I can drag these down like this. I can duplicate this video again, drag it over. So you can build out your page, and then all you need to do is go in and click this edit, this little pencil symbol, and then you can change out the URL for different videos, and then you can click the pencil on there and you can change out the title. Okay, so this is a basic simple training page. Now let's get rid of this whole thing. Let's start over. Let's go add a new row. Let's have a look at another way we could do this. So we could do a 1/3 and 2/3 row like that. Let's go insert into page. Let's go add element, video player, YouTube, video URL. So all we're doing now is just changing out the layout of it. Here we can go text block like this, and then we could put number 1 how to edit videos. We could even bold that out like that. Insert. Just make that a little bit bigger. Let's go to advanced options. Let's go up to 20. Let's change the font to Oswald like that. Okay, number 1, how to edit videos. Then we could add another text block below, and let's go in this video look at how to edit videos. Okay, obviously this would be relevant to the video that's next to it. Theme default, no, we don't want that. Let's go for railway. Size, let's go 15. Let's insert that in. So then we've got a video there and a brief description. Let's click save and continue. Let's have a look, see how this looks. Click OK, view public link. Okay, we've got that one there. So then we got the video and that. So let's get a little bit more creative. Let's add a new row. This time we'll add a single row. Add that in, and then in this element here, we're going to add a divider. Okay, so let's just look for one of these dividers. That one will do. Okay, and then what we're going to do is duplicate this whole row up here, or I copied that row. Sorry, we could duplicate it. If you copy it, you can copy and paste. So let's show you that. I copied by clicking this icon here, and then if I add a new row in, even if it's a single row, now I get the option to paste, which I think is that one. There we go. So I pasted that row. So there's one way you can do that. Let's delete it. I'll show you another way. Duplicate there, and then what I'm going to do is grab this row here with the divider and drag that up. Let's edit this text layer. So let's go number 2, how to make new rows. Insert. Look at how to create new rows and build a training page. Click that in. Save and continue. Refresh our live page. See, and then we've got a page like this. Okay, so you can see, you know, this does actually look quite nice. We quite like the look of this. It's entirely up to you how, you know, really how you lay this all out. Start off, because we've got a blank page, start off with adding a new row. Choose how you want your layout, and then add the elements in there. So you're going to want a video and text is going to be your main ones. Okay, so something else you might want to add in here would maybe a banner. So let's see, let's go add image. Let's just see if I can find a banner. Select file. Okay, now let me have a look in, I think I have some banners somewhere. Let me have a look. Google banners. Okay, I don't know if this will be the right size, but you will get the idea. I'm going to drag this in. So remember, with your training page, although we're viewing it on this tab up here, this is going to be within your app. Okay, so you've got the chance to do a bit of advertising in here. Save that. Let's go and have a look how this page is looking. So you've got the opportunity to do a bit of advertising. So you can put an image up here. This could be webinars, it could be other products, it could be other apps, you know, it could be whatever you want, but you can put an image in there like that. And we can make this image clickable. If I click the pencil again, here, link URL. Let's grab any old URL, grab YouTube. Add that. Let's open it up in a new window. Let's click insert, save and continue. Okay, refresh our live page. Now when we click that, it opens up YouTube. But this could be you know, a product. It could be affiliate products. It could be anything you want in there. Okay, so this is a chance for you to easily customize this page and have control over this page while your app's live without having to go through updates and all kinds of difficult stuff. This makes it easy for you. So let me show you one more thing about these rows as well. If we click this row, because these elements, we've got these options here. These rows, we've got these options. We've looked at a couple of those. If we click this pencil here, we can do things with this row. You know, it does get pretty complicated, but an easy thing to start with is to change the color. So let's just change the color to that kind of gray color. Click update, save and continue. Okay, so this will like break your page up if you want to do that. Okay, you can see there that's butted right up to the top. That might not look so good. An easy way to get around that is just add a spacer. Vertical spacing, let's go for 20 pixels. Click insert. So let's add 20 pixels up there. Let's duplicate that layer, drag it over to here. But let's make this background black. Update. Let's make this writing. Advanced options. Change the color of the text here. Something you might want to do is change the color of the text. Make that white. We'll do the same on this one. Click the pencil. Advanced options. This little box here. Drag it over to white. Click insert. Save and continue. Okay, refresh our page to see how we're looking now. So we should have a bit of space, black background, white text. So this breaks your page up now. Okay, so that's some basics really. How to make your training page should be nice and simple, nice and easy. If you have any problems, throw up a question in the group. I can help you no end with Optimized Press. I really do know it very well. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.